Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add members to group conversations. So as you can see, I have a group conversation right here, and if I want to add more members, I'm just going to click on this icon on the top right. So it's the view all members of this channel. Just click on that and go to members right here, and here as you can see there's an add people option, so just click on that, and now you can add people right here. Let's say I'm going to add this member to our workspace, and just click next. And here you can either pick from don't include conversation history, so if they join the channel they cannot see the messages before that member joined that particular channel. But if you pick this, they can see all of the message history of your channel. So if you want that, just need to click done. So it will confirm it right here, and boom, it is now right here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.